Hello, today to make this creepy look, first of all I need to have a white out lenses. Then I'm doing a glam makeup and I'm using very light colors, so white and light pink, and then darkening it with a purple. And I'm also making my brows quite dark and purple so it matches my makeup. Then I'm painting my top lash line and the bottom lash line, adding lashes. I'm making makeup just for one eye because another one will be cracked. With a flat or chisel brush I'm filling in the whole area of my eye and making edges quite rough. I'm also adding some cracks at my nose and they're also going to be quite uneven. Let's also make a crack from a bullet, because why not? I'm starting to add spirit gum to my lips, and as you see the tool is perfectly shaped as my teeth are going to be, and now I'm just applying gluing on the teeth. I found them very cheap on eBay. I think it was called acrylic teeth and I bought them like 100. I wanted first to glue on the teeth and then paint it around it so they will hold better, but I would say I would also add latex as well straight after gluing them on, and only then painting over the latex, because for the video they were fine, they were kind of holding, but if I would go out I would rather secure it with latex as well. Now with stipple sponge I'm adding some blood around my teeth. And be generous, let it contrast with nice makeup of my right eye. With a thin brush I'm adding more precise lines, so they more look like a crack, and I'm making this very uneven as well. On the top part of each crack I'm adding white outline, and it looks like it's more standing out after I've done this. Well, I remember I would like to invite you to my Instagram channel, which is called Ulianka Arty. I post there pictures from events, from collaborations, and all the other that I don't do video with. To make my monster to look even more gory, I'm adding some maggots. So on the holes that I have, I put in some glue and then adding maggots, which I also bought on eBay. There was an option to buy white ones and yellow whites, but I bought white whites and then I regretted it because I had to paint them a bit yellowish. They weren't looking right when they were white. This is a very easy but also very effective painting. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, well, how did you watch this far? Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you very soon. Maybe this